Hello, kids! Welcome to Smile and Learn ABC.
Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Let's have fun learning together. This is the letter F. Say it with me. F.
This is the letter F. F is for fish. The fish swims. This is the letter F. F is for frog. The frog jumps.
The dino was fed.
This is the letter F. F is for flower. The flower is pretty.
This is the letter F. F is for flag. The flag waves. This is the letter F. F is for fox. The fox runs fast.